मुझसे जुड़े रहने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें। बातचीत से करीबी बढ़ती है। Conversation increases the proximity. Conversation increases the proximity. चलो इसे खत्म करते हैं। Let's sort this out. Let's sort this out. तुमने मेरे भाई को देखा होगा। You must have seen my brother. You must have seen my brother. मेरी नज़र से दूर हो जाओ। Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight. क्या तुम अपना मुंह बंद रखोगी? Will you please shut up? Will you please shut up? मैंने यह अपनी आँखों से देखा है। I have seen it with my own eyes. I have seen it with my own eyes. मैं यही करना चाहता था। That's what I wanted to do. That's what I wanted to do. मैंने कुछ गलत नहीं किया। I haven't done anything wrong. I haven't done anything wrong. मैंने सिर्फ सच बताया है। I just told the truth. I just told the truth. क्या हम कभी फिर से मिलेंगे? We will ever meet again. We will ever meet again. वो आपकी तरफ आ रहा है। He is coming towards you. He is coming towards you. मैं दौलत का भूखा नहीं हूँ। I am not after money. I am not after money. यह मेरे लिए कोई मायने नहीं रखता। It doesn't matter to me. It doesn't matter to me. मेरे यह सुनकर होश उड़ गए। I freaked out hearing it. I freaked out hearing it. मुझे कुछ पैसे उधार दे दो। Please lend me some money. Please lend me some money. मुझे शर्म नहीं आती। I am shameless. I am shameless. वह नाक से बोलता है। He has a nasal accent. He has a nasal accent. मेरे मुंह से धुआं निकल रहा है। I can see my breath in the air. I can see my breath in the air. मैंने अपनी साइकिल बेच दी। I have sold my bicycle. I have sold my bicycle. हमने साइकिल बेच दी। We have sold our bicycle. We have sold our bicycle. क्या उन्होंने अपना खाना नहीं खाया? Have they not taken their food? Have they not taken their food? तुम उसे कब से जानते हो? How long have you know him? How long have you know him? काफी लंबा समय हो गया है। It has been a long time. It has been a long time. बाहर थोड़ी थोड़ी बारिश है। It's a little rainy outside. It's a little rainy outside. तुम्हें देखने का मन कर रहा है। I feel like seeing you. I feel like seeing you. उसने खुद मुझसे कही। She herself said to me. She herself said to me. जब भी आओ मुझे बता देना। Let me know whenever you come. Let me know whenever you come. बारिश में कपड़े गीले हो गए हैं. Clothes get wet in the rain. Clothes get wet in the rain. कहने को अब कुछ बचा ही नहीं. There is nothing left to say. There is nothing left to say. मैं चाहता हूँ उससे गुस्सा आए. I want him to get angry. I want him to get angry. मैं गाड़ी में नहीं चढ़ सका. I couldn't catch the train. I couldn't catch the train. और हम कर भी क्या सकते हैं? What else can we do? What else can we do? हम दोनों की फीलिंग एक जैसी है. The feeling is mutual. The feeling is mutual. पिछले पहिए में हवा कम है. The rear wheel has less air. The rear wheel has less air. बस स्टैंड यहाँ से कितनी दूर है? How far is the bus stand from here? How far is the bus stand from here? जल्दबाजी में कभी कुछ नहीं हुआ. Nothing is ever done in a hurry. Nothing is ever done in a hurry. कितना बदल गया है तू? How much you have changed. How much you have changed. तुम मुझसे जलते क्यों हो? Why are you jealous of me? Why are you jealous of me? उल्टा जवाब देना छोड़ दो. Stop answering back. Stop answering back. तुम्हारा डरना जायज है. Your fear is justified. Your fear is justified. मैंने उसे देखकर सीख लिया. I learn by watching him. I learn by watching him. आप लंबे समय तक जियो. May you live long. May you live long. वह बात करने में लगा हुआ है. He is engaged in talking. He is engaged in talking. उसकी याददाश्त बहुत कमजोर है. She has brain like a sieve. She has a brain like a sieve. तुम्हारी याददाश्त बहुत अच्छी है. You have a good memory. You have a good memory. इसके बारे में बाद में सोचना. Think about it later. Think about it later. मैं ये सामान कहाँ रखूँ? Where do I put this stuff? Where do I put this stuff? अब इसके बारे में कोई बात नहीं. No more discussions about it now. No more discussions about it now.